Well, it is Friday night, 11:45. I finally got my front grill piece. Been getting a lot of parts. Boxes and paper everywhere. Been trying to throw it away as I can. But got my drive shaft in. Fits good. Got my exhaust done. Fuel lines are done. Got my wire harness for my Terminator X Max. Working on that. I've got it all installed on the injectors, coils, all the sensors. Tried to make it look as nice as I could. Not sure what I'm going to do with that there to make it try and look better. But it was hard to get it to fit all underneath the intake manifold. Oh, and I've got my catch can all plumbed in. It goes under the intake as well and snakes through there, as well as the other wires that go with the harness. Got all my fuel lines on this side done. Still have to finish this. Not really sure at this point where I'm going to mount the Terminator X Max in there, because I'm going to have AC on here. So I'm not sure how all that fits and where it goes. Radiator is going to be pretty soon. Condenser. So making some progress. But that's what she looks like. I'm trying to do best I can to make everything look nice and not just thrown together. I've always been that way. I'd buy something brand new and have a mold mark on it. I'd go through, take it apart, remove the mold marks, reassemble it. Just, my dad did that, and now I do that. All right. That's going to be it. You guys have a good night.